Hello everyone, this is Winston. Today is Monday, June 22nd, 2026, and we have a little bit of trouble today with stock. Opened very high and then fell. So that's on its own a very serious problem. But then we have bonds selling off and SpaceX. Have you guys looked at SpaceX? It's down at 1.20% today. Not great at all, and overnight at 150 right now, and it's bouncing back, hovering around 152 to 155. But let's chat with you guys. Well, let's start with SpaceX because we already SpaceX. I mean, at the start to the top like 50%, and if you have IPO price which is about 135 right here, and up to the top you're looking at 67%. So 67%, I mean, you kinda have to take profit. 67% is like 3 years of overperforming the market, or 4 to 5 years of average market return. So if you don't take profits, you kind of too greedy, in my opinion. And market don't like greedy, and market also don't like panic. But right now they punishing the greedy. In just 3-4 trading days, it's lost 32%. Whew. All right. So what do I think about SpaceX? It's hard to tell. It's hard to have any opinion because first, it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days. I need a lot of data. I mean, PE is very high. So in the normal market, at the normal stock, it's supposed to drop. But drop to which point? And because it's Tesla stock, and because it's Elon stock, so you know there's a little bit of mafia in it. So you don't want to be too greedy in the downside also. So you have to be careful. My style of trading, I just don't like to trade this kind of stock. You know, it's too volatile. It's very dependent of news, and it's just one stock. One single tiny news can drive the stock insane, the upside or the downside. So the problem with SpaceX is they raising debt, and also they buy companies. They already start to acquire companies, which in a way dilute the shareholder value. So, but they just asking for like 20, and the companies, I think it's around 60 billion, so around 80 billions. But the stock dropped 32% of 2 trillion company. You know, it's a bit crazy to me. So I just don't have an edge to trade this kind of stuff. So I decided to skip. Alright, that's the first thing. Now let's check stock. Now you have to appreciate the strength of stock market. So you say this is Wednesday, the Kevin's wash Fed Day, he talked really bearish. He talked really, he want to hike the federal Fed fund rate. One rate this year and then one rate next year. But the market panicked and then price in 2 rates or even 3 rates for this year 2026 and 1 rate for next year. So it's supposed to be very bearish, but look at what happened on Friday. It's erased all the loss on Wednesday, Fed Day. So the market is really strong right now. And then today, here's the problem that I tell you in the intro. So it's make new high of this leg. It's make new high of this head back. Yeah, it's a tiny bit higher than this high, and then sell off. And right now already sell off. Today is overnight section. It's already sell off a lot. So it's look like we consolidate around here. And to everyone's surprise, this is Fed Day. All right. Russell up a lot on Friday and today make new all-time high. Right now drop, but drop just a tiny bit compared to 80 basic point in the NASDAQ, but now it just dropped 36 basic point. So Russell is a little bit awkward because it's supposed to be the most sensitive to the Fed rate. But now it's overforming, and you don't know why. And that's when it's come to my edge positioning, because everyone is selling Russell right now. They don't believe in Russell because of the potential hiking rate. But when everyone is pricing that fact that Kevin may hike the rate, it's become too skewed up and odd. You know what I mean? So although it's very bearish, but who left to sell? That's the thing. That's the problem, and that's the advantage of our trading style. We don't trade the price. We don't trade on fundamental. We trade on positioning. Yes. And one thing is, although we have many bearish news, yeah, the market is still at all-time high or very near all-time high. You see, just a tiny bit. How about SB 500? Just a tad to all-time high. Russell, like I said, make new all-time high today. Russell, the Dow very close to all-time high. So the stock market at the all-time high level. The stock market very strong, maybe the strongest. And look what gold did. This is supposed to be the golden opportunity to buy gold. We keep making new low, every new low. We make new lower high every time. So not great at all. Gold and silver is in serious trouble right now. I hate to admit it because I really like them, you know, but I have to respect the market. The market clearly give Winston and everyone else a hint that said they are in a weakness. So at least don't go long. And like I said with you guys in the intro, bonds sell off. 2 years sell off. Make new low today. New, not all-time high, but the new low of this run. 10 years a little bit better, but a huge reversal today. Same thing with T-bond, a huge reversal. I hope you guys see it. And with our position, we hit the resistance and we drop a little bit. Now I still have my stop loss to mitigate the risk. And if it's keep going lower, this is what I think is going. Yeah. Yep. Let's see. And today we also have new positioning data. And overall, they buy the stock. They're not panic anymore, but now they're chasing. So that's a big red flag for us. So they buy NASDAQ. They buy SP 500. They buy Russell. And the Dow, they buy a lot. The Dow, the Dow actually set up to be a short. That's amazing. But of course, we're not gonna act until market confirm with us. And here's the thing, Bitcoin. You guys not gonna believe it. Bitcoin today, people even buy the dip. Even more. So positioning wise, suggests that Bitcoin gonna have at least another leg down. To where? Let me go to Bitcoin spot and go to the weekly. As you guys see, this is a very strong support for Bitcoin, but it's about very tiny little bit, you know. So if I want to guess, this would go to here at the latest. I don't think it's go this way to 15k. This is 15k. This is about 42. Yeah. I think it will go to 42k. But I don't know if it's go back to test this low. Overall, because everyone not scaring the dip in Bitcoin. Matter of fact, they praising the dip in Bitcoin because they think it's the golden opportunity. And because the fact that Bitcoin always make new all-time high if you hold the back long enough. So it's, you know, it's make people too confident to holding the bag. And let's see. Very bad for Bitcoin. Okay guys, that's it today. Overall, the market is still very strong, but we start to see some red flag in the market, and I have to respect that and monitor the situation. All right, I will see you later.